And my background that I'm using is actually a Fluttershy one that I actually got off the My Little Pony Wallpapers app. So if you're interested in HD My Little Pony wallpapers, go download that app. It's totally awesome. The icon looks like that, and just search My Little Pony wallpapers in the App Store. Hey dolls! Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own circular icon or what have you for Instagram or Kik or whatever social media you may have that has the circular icon. So I did mine for my Instagram, and the only app that I used is Phonto. Now Phonto is a free app. It just looks like this. It's in the App Store, and I believe you can get it for Android too. I'm not 1,000,000% sure, but I believe you can. So we're just going to go into the Phonto, and I'm just going to click the camera, and I'm going to click plain image. Now here you can select whatever you want. Basically you can go to Google and save your own like galaxy background, or you can do whatever you want to do, and to use a photo that you've already previously used, you just want to go to photo albums, and I'm just gonna pick a random one. I'm just gonna pick let's see, I should have a galaxy photo on here somewhere. We'll just use this one right here. This is just a chevron print that I have, so I'll click done, and then ignore my little assistive touch floating around. But then we're going to go into square crop, and then you're going to crop the image to so it's square. And then so this is going to be the outside border, and you'll see what I mean in a couple minutes. But now we're going to start adding our photos and our text and stuff like that. So before I even add my text, I'm going to go ahead and add an item. Now what I like to do the circular is I like to click this little star down here and add a circle. And you can see it automatically puts it in the middle of the screen. You can click size and make it bigger, make it smaller, whatever you want to do. And you can also click it. Once you tap on the item, you can kind of see this little bar come up with all these different options. You can select color and change the color of it. I'm not going to go through this a lot because I just kind of am showing this to you guys. You guys can play around with it however you want. I'm just showing you the basics. So then I'm going to fix the size again. I'm just going to fix the size. Let's make it about like that. And then I'm actually going to add another one of these. Let's go add item, and I'm going to add another circle. So you can see it's the same color as the old one. Just tap in the middle and you'll see the difference. Once you change the color, I'm just going to change the color. So now I have two circles, and I'm just going to change the size of this one. So I have a little border outside of the one circle, just like that. Now I'm going to add my photo. So adding my photo, I'm going to hit add image instead of add item. And then you just pick whatever photo you want to be your icon, or whatever you want to be your picture. So for this one, I'm just going to pick this one right here. And for some reason, Phonto does this where it kind of like sets it off the screen. Don't worry about that. And then I'm just going to click the circle, adjust it to where I want it. Okay, say that's my picture that I want. And then I'm going to click done. It's going to pop that in the middle. I'm going to do size, make it bigger to about right, just wherever you want it to be. I'm going to do mine about right there. So this is what you have so far, and now you can go in and add your text. You just want to tap anywhere kind of outside the circle and hit add text, and then you can start adding whatever you want. So I'm going to put Manda, and then I'm going to put 31409. Sorry if my assistive touch is confusing to you guys. You don't need this to do this at all whatsoever. I just have assistive touch. And if you guys aren't familiar with assistive touch, it's just something you can click on and do like screenshots and stuff like that. I do have a video. Just search Manda31409 assistive touch on YouTube and it will pop up. So this is the font that I have up right now. The font that I have working right now is Barrio Regular. But you can go through and click whatever font you want. They have hundreds of different fonts and stuff. So I'm just doing Barrio Regular. And then you can click this little symbol button, and that's where you can do the little hearts or the stars. So I'm going to do like 3 hearts on both sides. And just like that. And then I'm going to click done. Sorry, my assistive touch. And now you can see it's not really curved. So what you can do is you can go to Style, Style, Curving, and then this is where you can change the curving of the letters of the text, and then you can kind of move it. So I'm just going to move it up, and then I'm going to center it using this button down here. So there's what the top looks like, and now for the text you can actually go in and do style, and you can click style again and do like a shadow. So there's a little drop shadow, and then color, and then I'm going to do the stroke. I'm going to make this black, and then the text you can go in here and make your, and like set different text colors, or you can go to my patterns and like you can start creating your own. Just play around with it a little bit. Like I said, I'm not going to go through and show you guys it exactly of how to do everything, but it's pretty much self-explanatory. Just play with it a little bit. It took me hours and hours and hours to figure out this app completely, but once you figure it out, it's really, really fun to do, and it's really, really awesome. So take your time, experiment, and just have fun with it. So now for the bottom, I'm just going to add more text, and this time I'm just going to add like tons of these hearts, and then I'm going to click done. I'm going to hit move and center it, and now I'm just doing the same thing with these little hearts down here. Just style, and then I'm going to curve these the opposite way, just like so, and then you can kind of set it to where you want it, and then move, center it up a little bit, and then style, and I'll just do the exact same one I did before, and hit my patterns, go down here, and it'll be something like that. So you can kind of see how that works. Now, to get it to be a circle, I'm just going to move these a little bit up higher, and then I'm going to move this one a little bit more down, and then I'm going to click this little button down here, right here, this little square, and then I'm going to click save image, and then it says saved successfully. Hit OK. There's just an ad that pops up. Now I'm going to go into Instagram, and then to set your Instagram icon, you just go to your page, click on your little icon, hit choose from library, camera roll, and then boom, there's your picture right there. You can kind of go in and play with it and adjust it however you want, but then when you say crop, it will turn out to be a circle, just like that. So I'm just going to go ahead and set my old one back to where it was, just like that. Hit crop, and boom, there it is. So that is how you do that. I hope you guys enjoy this, or enjoyed this video. Like I said, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns regarding the app, they're pretty much self-explanatory. The more you play with the app, the more you do it, the more familiarized with everything that you get. But it's just a fun app. I love Phonto. It's definitely one of my favorites. And again, it's free in the App Store, and you can do all different kinds of things. Like if you do have the Pro version, you can actually take your photo and hit add image, and then pick whatever photo it was that you wanted. Say I wanted this one of my boyfriend and I, and then I could click this star and make it a heart. I think you have to have the Pro version to get these certain shapes, but then you could actually just like move that into like the center and stuff like that, and then it's just really fun. Like, it's just a really fun app, and it's just really simple to use, and it's really easy and user friendly, and you just gotta play with it a little bit. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and go, and I will talk to you all in my next video. So until then, so long, stay strong, stay true, and be you. Okay, bye!